When autumn comes and leaves start covering your yard, many people immediately grab a rake and a bag to clean it all up and throw it away. But did you know that right then you're throwing away something that's worth more than you think? That is why today I am revealing why you should never throw away fallen leaves, and how much they can actually help your garden, orchard, and the land beneath your feet. Fallen leaves are not waste. They are a natural ground cover, fertilizer, and shield, all in one. While lying on the ground, they create a thermal layer that protects the roots from freezing. Moisture is retained underneath, and the soil breathes and stays loose. When the leaves begin to decompose, they release minerals, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all that your soil loses throughout the year. Did you know that the richest humus in nature is created right under the layer of leaves? In this layer, earthworms and microorganisms live and work non-stop. They transform dry leaves into dark, fragrant, living soil. This is a natural process that no artificial fertilizer can replace. Instead of throwing it away, just spread it around trees, shrubs, or in flower beds. You can also shred it with a lawnmower and mix it with compost. By spring, you'll have the most fertile layer of soil your plants can get. And did you know another interesting fact? Some trees, like oak and maple, produce leaves rich in tannins that naturally repel many pests and fungi. So, while you think you're just cleaning up your garden, you're actually removing the best guardian of your soil. So, the next time you look at your orchard covered in leaves, don't see a mess, but a gift from nature. Those leaves protect your roots, nourish your soil, and prepare your garden for a new life in spring. If you liked this tip, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video because maybe your friend is planning to throw away the treasure that nature gave him today.